I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to create an account on Binance, follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Visit the Binance website. Open your web browser and go to the official Binance website. Make sure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing scams. Step 2. Click on Register. Once on the home page, locate and click the Register button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the Sign Up form. Step 3. Fill in your information. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Be careful not to use a password you've used on other sites, as this can increase security risks. Step 4. Verify your email. After submitting your information, check your email for a verification link from Binance. Click on the link to confirm your email address and activate your account. Step 5. Complete KYC verification. To fully activate your account, you may need to complete the Know Your Customer KYC verification process. This involves uploading identification documents and may take a few minutes. And there you have it. You're all set to start trading on Binance. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Happy trading!